What's going on YouTube? It's GadgetsBoy. Welcome to another video. So today we're looking at the new product, a new product from Parrot. So this is the new Parrot ANAFI drone, and the name is derived from a Greek island, which is pretty cool. Anyway, besides the name, it has a lot to offer. And I wonder if this could replace my Mavic Pro. In a nutshell, you can record 4K HDR videos. It offers 2 times lossless zoom, 180-degree tilt, so you can go up plus 90, you can go down minus 90. It's portable and light, and has an amazing flight time at up to 25 minutes, which is impressive. If that's not enough, you can buy extra batteries as well, of course. For image stabilization, you get 3-axis gimbal, 2 of which are mechanically stabilized, and the third is digitally stabilized. With a 21 megapixel sensor, you can get really sharp images, and with HDR, you can get rid of excessive bright lights and dark shadows. You can normalize those for the best image possible. You can zoom to 2 times zoom at 1080p, and you can zoom times 1.4 when shooting in 4K. At 1080p to be exact, you can zoom at 2.8 times 2.8, which is really good without losing quality. Although it has and comes with some AI modes preloaded, you can fly up to 60 frames per second at 1080p, and in sports mode you can go at 55 kilometers per hour. For storage, it comes with a 16 gig microSD card already in the box, which is fantastic. But you can also expand it if you've got up to 128 gigabytes of memory card, microSD card. You can pop that in as well. With full Wi-Fi antennas in the legs, you can fly 4 kilometers with the remote control forwards, and 4 kilometers backwards, which is 8 kilometers in total. It will also automatically check the channels to make sure you get the best signal possible. Although if you do lose signal whilst flying it, it will try and reconnect first for a bit, and then if you can't reconnect, then it will just return home if all else fails. From my first flight with it, it's quieter than what I'm used to using already. It's very easy to use. Pictures looks amazing. In the app as well, you get to select various modes, for example, film or sports mode, cameraman mode, where you can select an object and it will track the object. Not the same as follow me mode though, although there's also follow me mode there as well. You got smart drones for boomerang and other animations. You got touch to fly, so you can simply touch where you want to fly and it'll go there. You got flight plan as well, where you can select where you want to go, the height, the angle, the modes. You can program it basically, and it will just go once you say it to go without having to do anything. The controller is a little bit on the sturdy, weighty side, but which is fine. I quite like that. It feels comfortable in hand. It will last up to 2.5 hours and also charge via USB-C, just like the drone itself. In case I forget to mention as well, you can also shoot JPEG and DNG files for post-processing, which is pretty cool. But anyway, this is just my first impressions, and make sure you follow me on Instagram for some sample shots over the next few weeks, and a full review will be up very soon as well. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell button for notifications, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.